Blueprint. Noun, a detailed plan or design for how something will be built or made. Verb, to create a plan or design for something. Similar words to blueprint. Plan, a detailed proposal for achieving something. Design, a drawing or outline showing how something will look or work. Outline, a general description or summary of something. Scheme, a systematic plan for achieving a goal. Framework, a basic structure that serves as a guide. Template, a model or pattern used as a guide. Model, a representation or example used for guidance. Diagram, a drawing showing the arrangement of parts. Prototype, an early model or example of a design. Guideline, a general rule or principle that provides direction. Opposite words to blueprint. Guesswork, an estimate made without a plan or clear information. Impromptu, something done without prior planning or preparation. Disorder, a lack of structure, plan, or organization. Haphazard, done randomly or without a plan. Spontaneity, an unplanned or instinctive action. Chaos, complete confusion and lack of order. Improvisation, creating or performing something on the spot without preparation. The architect showed us the blueprint of the new house. The blueprint for the bridge took months to complete. The teacher gave the students a blueprint for their science project. They used the blueprint to create a detailed business strategy. She spent hours blueprinting the perfect layout for her dream room.